Investing in precious metals can provide diversification, act as a hedge against market volatility, and offer tangible assets that retain value over time. Precious metals such as gold and silver can serve as a store of value and protection against inflation. This video explores the question of whether investing in precious metals is a good idea. Considering gold, silver, and platinum, and emphasizes the relevance of this question in uncertain economic times. Key takeaways. 1. Investing in precious metals provides diversification and serves as a hedge against market volatility. 2. Precious metals like gold and silver are tangible assets that can retain value and act as a store of value. 3. Historical performance indicates long-term value appreciation, influenced by global economic factors and supply-demand dynamics. Understanding precious metals investments. 1. Metals valuation basics involve factors like supply and demand, global economic performance, and geopolitical events. 2. Investment risks include market volatility and the risk of theft or loss when storing physical metals. Pros of precious metals investing. One, tax benefits, high liquidity, diversification, inflation hedge, and universal acceptance are advantages. 2. Precious metals can be converted into cash quickly, providing financial flexibility. Cons of precious metals investing. 1. Market volatility, storage, and insurance costs. Lack of passive income and liquidity challenges are potential drawbacks. Precious metals vs. other investments. 1. Precious metals, unlike stocks and bonds, aren't tied to company performance or government policy. 2. Diversification benefits make precious metals suitable for balancing riskier investments. Strategies for investing in precious metals. 1. Market timing techniques, diversification methods considering. Long-term vs. short-term investing and regular monitoring are key strategies. Frequently asked questions. 1. Tax implications, secure storage, legal considerations, sustainability, and historical events impact on precious metals are addressed. Conclusion. 1. Investing in precious metals can diversify a portfolio, but it's not without downsides. 2. Comparison with other investments highlights unique benefits and drawbacks. 3. Emphasizes the importance of a well-thought-out strategy before entering the world of precious metal investments. Click the link in the description for more information.